get points from there, send it to us, we'll make products for you, document the entire thing, put it online, your products would be a hit. This is the problems, this is what I'm trying to solve. Make 10 products, give it to your people around, and out of that 5 people say it was very good and it has solved my problem. So I sold about 15 soaps. I said, okay, that is like the first time I really had any real sales in my life. Then I tried selling it, so I went to shops and things like that. So there were a lot of plus and minuses in that. But then I sold those 100 soaps. Immediately after that, I set up a factory. So all this happened in the span of 2 months. See what resonates and what you feel is very true to yourself, and with that you can apply it and it'll just click up. And something which is easy for you to communicate, because the way you talk to me, I feel that you personally are a little introvert and a little shy.
Yeah,
and
sure. Yeah, absolutely. I don't have much.
Yeah, so something that suits your type of personality would be even better.
As far as I was thinking, there is nothing much problems
You
in
like
my...
to read a lot?
Yeah, I read.
You read a lot? You travel places?
I travel.
Arts, crafts, and things
No,
like that?
nothing
Not
arts.
much?
I'll travel.
You travel and you read, right?
Yeah.
Maybe try picking up some, this Ravana's book is there about medicines. Ancient Ravana's text is there.
Okay.
Pick up a book, start reading it, get points from there, send it to us, we'll make products for you. Document the entire thing, put it online, your products would be a hit. Play on your advantages. Yeah, I've got some 4 or 5 books which I'm trying to read for the past 6 months, and I skip every chance. I do like to read, but I need to set my mind, sit down and then read.
Okay.
But then there are people who generally like to read.
I got it.
So, double down on your advantages, and I think that will be very easy to do.
Okay, I'll think about it. Yeah.
You can start it from right now, pull it off from this video,
Okay.
buy a book, order it on Amazon or something, get the book, start reading. This is the problems, this is what I'm trying to solve. Make 10 products, give it to your people around, get their feedback, do everything on video or as a content.
As a content.
And say, for example, if you're finding a solution to some problem which is there in the book, and you give it to someone, and out of that 5 people say it was very good and it has solved my problem, there'll be many people watching who face the same problem, and they'll say, I want more products, and it just kicks off. And to start off all this, I think you just need to start with an investment of 5,000 or 6,000 tops.
What should I invest that 5,000 in?
1, to buy your book.
Okay.
2, to make the products and give it for free. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The second round, anyway, you'll have orders. You say, I don't have any cash with me, I'm just going to invest 5,000. Pre-book, I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
We'll also make videos of making the product for you. And just set and you can keep going from there.
Yeah, it's good. I'll think. Sure.
And just start off. First thing is just start.
Start.
Why I would say that is, when I started off from home, it was I got a mold from Amazon. I think that is somewhere lying around here. One that 6-piece silicone cavity mold. And I started with this mixer, you have this juicer attachment. So I'll pour oils in it and I pour lye into it, blend, make soaps. So I sold about 15 soaps. I said, okay, that is the first time I really had any real sales in my life. And I saw that I believed that I could make money. And the next thing I did was I bought more oil and made about 50 soaps. Then I realized, okay, this is not going to work out making 6 soaps at a time. And then I developed a mold, the 12-piece mold. We got 5 or 6. So then I started mixing in buckets, bought a blender. That blender I think I've given out for framing it. We'll frame it and put it here. And the next thing I see, like there are about 150, 200 soaps being made and kept in my place. Then I tried selling it, so I went to shops and things like that. So there were a lot of plus and minuses in that. But then I sold those 100 soaps. Immediately after that, I set up a factory. So all this happened in the span of 2 months.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Nice.
So then setting up the factory for the first 1 or 2 months, every day I would question myself why I took this factory, because I didn't have cash to pay the rent. I didn't have cash to pay my employees. We'll do half shifts. So morning 10 to 12 there'll be work. After that we'll go. And but now if you ask me, I'm very happy I took the decision then. If I wouldn't have gone into a factory or something like that, I wouldn't have expanded. I wouldn't have.
Worked out all these things.
Yes.
Fine.
And at that point of time, it was like I was jobless. I didn't have anything, and I needed to prove to myself that I can do something. So that drive was there, which I do not have now, which is like a very small amount compared to what I did then. But then that took me to places.
Actually, my actual dream is to set up a brand
Okay.
that reaches everyone.